In this video, we will learn why removing common words boosts the accuracy of text analysis projects. Are the and hiding the valuable insights you're searching for in your text data? Cleaning your text data uncovers hidden patterns, boosting the accuracy of analysis and decision-making. Businesses use cleaned text data to improve customer service, marketing campaigns, and even product development strategies. Stop words like the, and is are common, but contribute little to the meaning of the text. We'll use the 20 Newsgroups dataset, which contains text from various online discussion groups, for our analysis. First, let's load the 20 Newsgroups dataset into our analysis environment for text processing. Next, we'll identify and list the common stop words that appear within our 20 Newsgroups dataset. Now, let's remove those identified stop words from our text data to clean it up. We'll also remove punctuation and convert all text to lowercase to ensure consistency in our data. Let's train two machine learning models, one with cleaned data and one with the original, uncleaned data. In our example, removing stop words boosts the model's accuracy from 75% to a much better 85%. Removing stop words, punctuation, and lowercasing significantly boosts your model's overall performance and reliability. Cleaned text data enhances sentiment analysis, leading to better insights and more informed business decisions. By cleaning your text data, you're unlocking valuable insights that improve analysis accuracy and drive success.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.